Our first priority is to develop national workforce solutions that support productive and good quality health services, with a particular focus on access to care. Waiting lists, bottlenecks in care pathways and delays are a key concern for patients and staff alike, and workforce issues are often a contributory factor. This could include clinic appointments, operations, cancer treatment, as well as urgent and emergency care. So our plan includes a number of projects targeted at improvements in our diagnostic workforce models, such as endoscopy, our theatre staffing and skills, the future development of cancer specialist nurses, and competence frameworks for end-of-life and palliative care and urgent care. A new area of work for us in the coming year will be to support the Women's Health Plan with a focus on education, training and skills development.